Today's topic is how is federalism practiced. Today we will discuss the different methods and procedure how the federalism is being implemented in our India. Constitutional provisions are necessary for the success of federalism, but these are not sufficient. Though about federalism and the division of power, it is already mentioned in our constitution, but it is not only the method which can be actually practiced in our daily day-to-day activities, because whatever is written in our constitution, if we will not implement in our daily practices, the meaning of these laws is not sufficient. If the federal experiment has succeeded in India, it is not merely because of the clearly laid out constitutional provision. If the system of federal system is success in our India, it is not only sufficient, because if we will not implement the different powers at all the different level, then the federalism will not work in a better way. This ensure that the spirit of federalism, respect for diversity and desire for living together became shared ideals in our country. So in order to implement federalism in a smooth way, we should respect the diversity. That means all the people, whether they belong to rich or poor community or they are from any religion, they should be given respect and desire for living together. That means whether they are of any community, all the people should live together and maintain a healthy society. Let us look at some of the major ways in which this happened. Now in detail we will learn what are the different methods or procedure how the federalism can be practiced in our India, so that the different problems which arises in order to implement the federalism in our country can be removed.